Adam Schiff was talking about Russia, and he made up things on
bottles of whiskey just for the elbow room.
At the elbow room, you can pair those wines and spirits.
Free iHeartRadio app.
On Sunday, so can they continue their winning ways? One back, which they've done a lot of times, but the big story is what do the Warriors do with Draymond Green? Of course, suspended by the NBA earlier this year, goes into counseling, and for a while was doing very, very well, but you can kind of see this thing building. He was going after officials a little bit more, and as you heard there on the call,
says here, with desire I have desired this. That's a Semitic.
He's one of the greatest owners in all of sports, you know, because he cared about the organization, he cared about winning.
Information Network.
The Haiti crisis has unveiled a long history of abuse inflicted on the island nation by France and